Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this unboxing video the unboxing of the TP-Link 4G LTE mobile Wi-Fi hotspot. Without further ado, let us start the unboxing video. So here is the box. This is what we are working with. The top, TP-Link 4G LTE mobile Wi-Fi M7000. This is the product itself. Go anywhere, connect anywhere, everywhere. Some of the features: supports multiple devices when traveling, enjoy a Wi-Fi hotspot without draining your phone's battery. Just some more information: micro USB cable, quick installation guide, a 2000 milliamp hour battery, mobile Wi-Fi M7000. Let's now get into the box. A 3-year warranty. Anything else in the box? Yes, just some paperwork, an instruction manual, various languages. This is what we are working with. There's some more paperwork on the bottom. The installation guide. Let's move all this to the side. Micro USB cable. We have a SIM card that we can insert into this, and then this goes into the hotspot itself. Nano, micro, standard SIM sizes. Let's now look at the star of the show. There will be another video that shows how to set this device up. And so, that's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial unboxing video. Thanks for now.